Hello everybody, and welcome to Outdoor Cooking with Camping Russ. These videos are a couple that I made from my previous camp trips while I was cooking. And I hope you enjoy them. Just a small couple recipes that I wanted to share with everybody and how I did it. So sit back, enjoy, and get your grub on. Okay, tonight's dinner. We're trying something a little different tonight. We are trying chicken. If it's different. Chicken parmesan, that's what I'm doing. And I got my breadcrumbs, got my oil. We're going to be frying it on up. I got my green beans, French style green beans, yes. And then I've got we're going to do some macaroni and cheese. So, yeah, I'm cheating on the macaroni and cheese. But got the marinara sauce, got some cheese. So, what I'm going to do with this chicken breast, just like I said, it's hard. I got to get some better camera equipment and stuff. Anyway, I am going to be taking the chicken breast. I will be, because it's a very large chicken breast, I will be slicing it in half, pounding it down, and rolling it in breadcrumbs. I need an egg. I'll do an egg batter wash, and then I'll put some more crumbs on it, and then I'll fry her up. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I will show you little blipping videos in between here and there, and probably just photos. So, all right, I'm going to get started on this, guys, because it's getting late, 7 o'clock, so I need to eat. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Okay, what you can see, I'm going to spin it around. I got my breadcrumbs, eggs, peanut oil. I took the chicken breast. Of course, it was one chicken breast. It was huge, so I cut it in half. Took some aluminum foil and my hammer, just kind of beat it down, made it flat. So I'm going to whip that egg up. I'm going to dip the chicken with the egg, wash, put in the breadcrumbs, do it a couple times. Got the peanut oil, throw in the fryer. I'm going to get probably my other deep fryer out, and we're going to go from there. So I hope that came out, if I was at the right angle. Chicken, beat it down, egg, yeah. So, all right, well, all right, guys. Okay, got it all wrapped up. The chicken's ready to go, and it is the frying. Man, that looks good. Hell, that's enough for 2-3 meals. So, all right, we're gonna add to that. Dry up the rain. That island is insane. Come on. One more thing, so we tried something different tonight. Enjoying some cider from Thunder Bay Winery. Thank you, guys. Anyway. Oh, yeah. That's good. So, I'm going to show you what I made tonight. Tried a recipe that was a little different. Not the mac and cheese, but green beans, mac and cheese. Camping is about coming up with all kinds of different recipes. Eventually, hopefully, I will get to a point where I can actually show you how I'm cooking everything and stuff. Deliciosos. Chicken parmesan. Marinara sauce on the top of it. Deep fried chicken breast. And threw some little bit of cheese on the top of it. Had a great day today. Got the Harley out, rode it around a little bit, and got to see some really cool things. I will definitely share it, photos and stuff of my adventures today. Met a really cool guy, Brian from Alabama. 2 thumbs up. Check his website out. I'm going to put it on a couple of videos at the bottom. And him and his pooch. Doggy liked bacon. So, alright guys. I'm going to grub down here. So, I'll see you later. Have a great night. Peace out.
Life like a airplane. Yeah, come up and pocket. Dry up your brain. The pilot is insane, come on. Yeah, you know they call that chance, yeah. Yeah, we say, dance out to your big fall away. Come down the place and fall away. Wind up the place, come fall away. Come select a pull up a
around breakfast, onions, bacon, tri-tip, croissants. Gonna make an omelet out of it with some Swiss cheese. So I hope that came out. Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Camping Russ's Cowboy Cooking Thingamajigger. I don't know what else to say. Hey, what do you do when you're not out camping and you're trying to avoid the campgrounds because it's Happy 4th of July, you know? For all those people that want to get out there, and that's fine with me. I'll wait till they all disappear. Meanwhile, back here in the test kitchen, I practice different recipes and stuff like that to take out on the barbecue and stuff. So, I just got done watching a video. The gal, she's out there in Yellowstone. She's cruising all around, and she had a hankering for a pizza. And instead of going out and dropping a ton of money on a pizza, and I know pizzas, yes, there's nothing like going out for a pizza, but you can really substitute it in a nice way. What I've been doing on a lot of my camping part, I have a little barbecue. You can do it on a griddle too. I pick up these Firestone little garlic pizzas. Okay, you can do all kinds of different things with them. And the nice thing about the garlic ones is, you know, they come 2 in a package. So I ended up buying like 4 of them, you know, and that's 4 pizzas, you know. So you can do it 2 different ways. You can take the bread out right off the bat, slap it on the barbecue, let it toast up on one side, and then take the doughy part of it, flip it upside down so you got that toasted part up, and just slap it on some aluminum foil like I have here. Put your marinara sauce on there, spread it all around, and I'm going to spin it around real quick. And yeah, so then all you got to do, which this really only takes like 10 minutes to really cook. Of course, you got your cheese, you know, variety mozzarella. I like the Mexican Overlanding stuff. Got my onions already cut up. Of course, I keep these in my refrigerator, my ARB freezer refrigerator. I got my little pepperoni. Depending on what you want to do. If you cook up some brats, you can take that meat, take that coating off of the brat, and sprinkle that on top of it. You can use hamburger. You can use hamburger and onion. You can make all kinds of different pizzas. I mean, a can of olives, a can of mushrooms, you know, fresh mushrooms. Take a mushroom. All kinds of different things. Got these little packages of pepperoni. That's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to slap on some pepperoni. I got these small things of Canadian bacon, and they last forever in the refrigerator. Throw them, of course, inside of a Ziploc baggie and stuff like that. So yeah, you just layer it up, and you just keep adding stuff. And you put it back on the barbecue. You put a little aluminum foil maybe on top of it, make it like a little dome, an oven. Or if you have a lid for your barbecue, that works perfect too. It'll cook that bottom real quick, and it'll melt that cheese, and all you need is a pizza cutter, and you're done. So I'm going to deck this thing out and add it on to another little video because I still haven't figured out this crazy pause thing and stuff. So I'll have it combined. So anyway, that's from the test kitchen. Cowboy Russ's Camping Russ test kitchen. All right, guys. Okay, add on to that other one. So what I did was took the pizza crust. I'm gonna spin it around here. There we go. And hopefully you guys can see that. There you go. Put the pizza crust, put the sauce down, put all the fixings on it, pepperoni, ham, onions, put the cheese on it, put a little oregano, add just a little bit of extra sauce. Ooh, sauce. Left in the can, in the jar, and I just sprinkled that right on top of it. Like I said, she's all ready for the barbecue. So, real easy. I'll show a photo of it when it's all done and cooked. All right, see ya. Well, okay, I threw it on the barbecue. 200-300. Let her bake. I left it on. You can, if you want a little crispy, you can take it off the aluminum. I left it on the aluminum. So let's take a look at it. So, ooh, hey, look at that. Nice. So yeah, if you're craving pizza, it is so easy to do. So I am going to use my little cutting board. Slide that puppy right on top of that, like that. And we have the 4th of July. Or is it a very big bear that just got shot? Most likely it was the 4th of July. So, alright, I am going to go in, cut this little puppy up, and munch it. Yo, to the left, to the right. Wanna fire, you must go outside. To the left, to the right. Wanna fire, you must go outside. To the left, to the right. Wanna fire, you must go outside. To the left, to the right. Boss, that's my life like a earth. Well, good evening, everybody. Well, it's my 3rd night at Burt Lake. I decided to do on the barbecue a tri-tip, and I think it turned out really good. I wrapped it in bacon. I also onions, dry rubbed it, and seared it, smoked it in applewood, and okay, that's good. That's good. Not bad. I did for about 45-50 minutes on the volcano. I put a couple of barbecue chips that were you just have to pre-light them and stuff, and put a lot of wood chips on top of it. Of course, what I say, cherry, yeah. I wrapped it first in aluminum, and I did about 10 minutes. Of course, the coals were just smoking hot, and really baked those juices into it at first, and then I took it out, and then I seared it, and turned out really good. All right, guys, that was the tri-tip of the day. Get a tri-tip of the day? Okay, what? All right, well, I'm going to start pigging down on this thing. I might make a couple other things and stuff, but, this is going to last me for a couple of days, which is real nice. So, shave it. Yeah. Okay, guys, peace out. See you later.
Dry up your brain. The pilot is